Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're going to be making some homemade browning. Stay tuned.
I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop.
Now guys, this is a very easy, straightforward recipe. All you need is sugar, water, and this is optional, but I've gone ahead and added about a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now I used about half a cup of brown sugar. Now on a medium to low heat, I'm just gonna keep stirring the sugar until it starts to melt. Guys, make sure you keep stirring it because it will clump up and yeah, it's just going to be harder to dissolve. Also, make sure that you do this in a well vented area. Open the door, open the window, turn on the fan, turn on the extractor, do what you gotta do. Now keep stirring this until it starts to foam. Once it starts to foam, you can go ahead and add your water. You have to keep stirring this. Let me stress, you have to keep stirring this. Now I added about a cup of water. About a cup of water, but I did this half and half, into two bits. I added in some first, I gave it a little stir, then I added it after. Now once you added the water, what I did was just to let it simmer. Now you see me scraping the corner of the pots. Make sure you scrape around those because then you get all the bits that was stuck around the pot. Now guys, once it starts to foam, add the water immediately. Now I added hot water, not boiling water, hot water. Now add the water at that point, or else, because you don't want the whole thing to get too bitter. Once you've added your water, and just let it simmer for about 5 minutes, just let it cool down. And once it cools down, as you can see, it just thickens right up. Use this to color your meat, and yeah, the rest is history. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and as usual, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit. Only you can limit yourself. Thanks again for watching. Bye.